Yeah. Cool.
Wow, look at that. Now we need to weld that on properly, okay? Great, let's do that again.
So that would be good.
So for knife making, this thing is brilliant, man. But you know, if I put a motor on it, if that was motorized, about that speed that you were doing that would be alright. I just need to strengthen it up a bit, I think.
Am I going at the same speed?
Go for it. Anything. we got stop. We got a crooked situation here, you know. Hey, I'm really impressed with it though. I mean, it's doing what it should. It's doing what it says in the tin. The only problem is yeah, we just have a bit of a problem here. With,
that's amazing.
Yeah, because if you were into making knives, this would be the right thing for you. If you put a little motor on it. Okay, so there we go. One second. Okay, it's twisting again. We gotta weld that on. But other than that, that's not bad going actually. It's moving steel anyway. Nice.
Not too shabby.
Let's see if I you see, that's not moving at all, huh?
Yeah.
If I do it by hand. So that's cool. So if you want to be a knife maker and you put a little motor on that, I think this would help you a lot. There we go.
Sorry, let's do one.
Okay.
Okay. Hold on.
Okay, now it's not working, of course. Okay, put it flat. Okay, don't hesitate. Bang, 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 bang. Row, row, row. Oh. No, push it there. There. You want to hit there. No, we're going to hit there.
Alright.
Okay, we get the hang of it. We'll get the hang of it. Now let's just try one.